Hello, it is Cheap Nails. Happy New Year's, stay frugal with nail art. Here at this channel, I love cheap and affordable products, so consider subscribing. And in this video, I'm going to be doing some summertime stamping. So if you like green and you like stamping, stick around. I started off by putting my base coat on. You definitely want to put a base coat on before you do any of the next steps because you want to protect your natural nails, and base coat does a great job of that. After the base coat is completely dried, I'm going to take some Elmer's glue and I'm going to put that around my nail to help with cleanup later. I love using Elmer's glue to clean up around mine for cleanup because it is a great and cheap and affordable product. Usually you just have it on hand. Usually my mom always has some on for different things that she uses it for, so I always you always have it on hand. And after that Elmer's glue has dried, I'm going to take my HK01 stamping plate and some metallic green polish and some metallic blue polish, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on my stamping plate. Before that, I'm going to get ready to get stamping, and usually before I stamp, I put down this like foam stuff. When you buy nail polish bottles off of eBay, you know, they wrap them in this foam, and I really love laying this down because it is a very good thing to stamp on because it cleans up the extra polish. And now, because you always have extra polish, you know, when you're stamping. So I'm going to take some of the blue and I'm going to put it over this flower design, and then I'm going to take some green and put that on the flower design, and then I'm going to take my Born Pretty scraper and I'm just going to scrape probably a few more times than I would usually scrape. I usually scrape 1 to 2 times, but I'm going to scrape 1 to 4 times, and then I'm going to take my jelly stamper and I'm gonna pick it up, and it's a nice little gradient, and it also has like green and like yellow and blue. Also, when you're doing stamping on this foam, I like to just clean my stamper off, like it soaks up the nail polish perfectly. So I think that is a very useful tool. That's why I love stamping on it, because look, it just cleaned my stamping plate all up. I'm always amazed how it just kind of just like absorbs the extra polish. And now I'm just going to stamp that on my nails, and I'm going to do I'm going to take the same pattern and I'm going to go ahead and stamp on all my other nails. And after all my nails are stamped, I'm going to take my tweezer and I'm going to take off the Elmer's glue because we don't need it there anymore. And as you can see, it peels right off, and it's just a very good like skin barrier. Like, it works very well. And I always find it's kind of satisfying when you like peel it off. It's funny. Now I'm going to take some acetone and just take a cotton swab and just clean around my nails, just any excess. And then I'm going to take some no smudge top coat and put that on because it's very important, because when you are stamping with like metallic polishes, they bleed and kind of smudge. They're really bad at it, so you definitely want to use a no smudge top coat. And after that no smudge top coat has dried, I'm going to take some long wear top coat, I'm going to put a dot of it, and then I'm going to take these beautiful little like silver flowers, and I'm going to go ahead and place that on there. I really enjoy using this top coat to put rhinestones on and any kind of 3D nail art because it doesn't dry super quick, so you can just make sure you have that rhinestone or flower in the right place. I think these flowers were a very good add to this design. And after that is all done, I'm going to put a quick dry top coat on just to seal everything in, and these nails will be done. I think they're very pretty. I decided not to put a base color under the stamp, just to put the stamp over my natural nails, and I think that looks very pretty and kind of minimalistic, even though it's not a minimalistic design, but I think it looks very beautiful. You guys can tell me down in the comment section down below what you think of these nails, and I think they're beautiful. I always enjoy your comments that you comment, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video next Friday. Bye!